Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share 5 plants to grow in containers in spring that have higher chance of success, are very easy to grow and will give you multiple harvests. This video is first of success with container gardening series that I will publish this year. So please subscribe. Let's begin. First plant on my list is dedicated to bring some flavors to your food. It is spring onion or parsley or cilantro. Pick your favorite and run with it. Personally, I prefer spring onion because it is so easy. I don't grow it with the seeds though. An easier way is to get the small onion bulbs that start selling in all big box stores as early as February or March. I would plant these close to each other in a container and they begin producing leaves very soon. I would harvest the outer, bigger leaves and let the inner leaves grow for next harvest. To be clear, I do not expect these onions to make onion for me. I just want the delicious leaves. For the second plant, it is important to pick the loose leaf varieties to grow in containers or small gardens. It is a humble lettuce. When you grow loose leaf varieties, you can start harvesting sooner by picking the outermost leaves while letting the inner leaves grow. Do not pick the whole plant though. Harvesting this way would give you multiple harvests from the same plants. When the leaves begin to taste bitter, just move the containers in shade and water it more. Lettuce are easy to grow in containers because they produce just leaves. Leaves are relatively easy to produce for a plant as compared to making a fruit like tomato or a tuber like potato. I would dedicate 2 containers to lettuce because it is salad, which gets eaten more. Third plant on my list will bring fun into gardening and some zing on your plate. It is a small size radishes. Pick the smaller varieties like white icicles or those pink and red ones. These grow very fast and the whole plant is edible. Plus, it is so much fun to harvest. Kids love it and so do I. Once I start pulling them out, I just can't stop. You won't get multiple harvests from this plant here, but these are so easy to grow and gives great harvests, so it's worth growing them. Fourth group of super value plants is kale or Swiss chard. I'm not adding spinach because it is always in a hurry to make flowers and then it stops producing good leaves. But with kale or Swiss chard, these would stay longer with you, are super easy to work with, will give you multiple harvests, and you can cook with these or add them to smoothies. Last plant on my list is snow peas or sugar snap peas. You can grow either of them. These pea varieties do relatively great in containers because pods are edible and you can start harvesting sooner as it is not necessary to wait for the peas inside the pods to mature to full size. I would suggest using a bigger container to grow peas because it is producing more than just leaves. I want you to check this container soil mix recipe next because in containers the amount of nutrients is limited and if you don't get it right from the beginning, your plants will suffer. I would truly appreciate if you can support this channel by liking this video, sharing it, commenting on it and subscribing. It would help this channel a lot. I also have a useful garden planner for just $1.49 if you're looking for one. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for your support.